Here's how it sat all winter. Get it out. There's no center section in it, so it's on a cart right now. And to get the center section in, get the axles in, so I can at least get it rolling. Here it is, all the stuff taken off of it was a storage bin. Big Bear. Neighbor's dog. It is dirty. This door is all adjusted. It actually shuts really nice, fits nice. That is what I have to fix. Yeah, the only problem with the whole car right there. A few dings and dents, but and that was where my fuel cell neck came up. This side's really nice. There's a few dent in the door, but that was put in there to just mock up everything. That's the old original turbo setup. The pipe I think I cut up to use for something else. I am not using this. Putting the heater core back in, making it functional. I stood up here years ago with a sledgehammer and beat that in so the HEI distributor would clear. I gotta smooth that and fix that all up. Get the wiper motor back in. Suspension was already built years ago. I can't remember what's in it, big block springs or small block, but I don't know, it was sat pretty good height with the LS setup, and it might be a little lighter in front now. That's the color interior I had in it. Had Grand Am seats in it. They were faded and just cheap looking. They're in almost perfect shape. Perfect for the car. It'll all get carpeted. I'm not putting a back seat in it. Debating on I might make the door bars removable. Weld in the coupler with a pin so it's at least functional stuff if I ever want to take it to the track again. It's pretty solid. Might be some surface rust and some junk down on the ground, but nothing really, no work to do to it. That is the original color right there. There's the front bumper, a little dusty. That is radiator support and why I need a new one. I completely mutilated it. The shelf for the radiator is gone. Fenders are pretty decent. Dings and dents, but they are solid. Gotta fix my inner wheel well. Fiberglass one was all notched out for the intercooler tubing. That's gotta be fixed. I might have a little problem, but I can weld them. easy fix. Weld something in that. The hood, Glass Tech, 4-inch cowl induction. Probably just leave it. It's got my fuel gauge, pressure gauge set up there. It might be a boost gauge, I don't even remember. Looks like the door has a little cancer issues there you have to fix yet. The anti-roll bar is not even hooked up. There's the brackets for it, I think. Yeah. Never even had that hooked up. Didn't need to. I think I don't remember why I disconnected it. Looks like it does have those, I think they're Moroso drag shocks in the front. I almost cut the cross member up here and notched it out. I'm glad I didn't cut the car up anymore. It already is. I wonder how this door is. Not bad. These tires have been on the front since the 90s. Carburetor's all rebuilt. It's been sitting on the shelf for 20 years. Had to replace the main body. But hopefully everything's all brand new in it. It should work, hopefully. The very back corner and storage here is the engine, 377. It has been sitting there for 20 years probably, maybe 21. It's got a cracked block between the cylinder sleeve and the head bolt. Got a couple extra blocks for it if they're good. Hopefully I'll use one. If not, I'll have to use a 350 block and build something else. Got the wheel spacer on that technically, according to my measurements, should bring the factory wheels, like 7-inch rallies, 8-inch rallies, back out to the normal ride width. And the center section is all in. About to get the wheels back on it, get it rolling. This side has a 2-inch wheel spacer on it. Those are, I don't know, they're small, skinny rims, but the 8-inch rally should stick out another bit more and fill that up, hopefully. I didn't put a wheel spacer on this side because it's just to roll it around with and more room to work on it.